Meet the new Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free. This video doorbell is packed with great features. It records in HD video with HDR, has a wide 180-degree diagonal viewing angle, and a unique 1:1 aspect ratio. Optimized for the front door, so you can see a person from head to toe or a package on the ground. Deter unwanted guests with a built-in siren. Hear and speak to visitors with a two-way audio feature. Here's what's included in the box. Attached to the doorbell is the flat mounting plate. The included release pin is used to remove the plate prior to your video doorbell installation. Keep this release pin in a safe place to use later. This is the optional angled mounting plate. Use this plate to provide a better view if your doorbell doesn't face an ideal direction. Here's the long-lasting rechargeable battery and the battery charging cable. This is the wall mount screw kit for mounting. Here's the wire extension kit, in case you need additional wire length to connect your video doorbell when choosing to hardwire to an existing doorbell and chime system to enable continuous charging. The quick start guide will help walk you through the initial setup steps. Setup is quick and easy. Please check out our how-to video for information on how to set up your Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free.
All right, so next we have the Peephole Cam, which I have in my home. And I love the Peephole Cam for several reasons. The first is that it's battery only, super easy. You're not messing with any of the existing doorbell wiring. Just take the battery here, pop it in, and pop it out to power it. Super easy. The second part, and what makes it so awesome, is the installation. So it actually goes over your peephole, which is pretty cool. So you actually take your peephole out, unscrew it, which is really easy to take out, and then you put these two on either side of it. So this is on the inside of your home with the cover here, and this goes on the outside of your home. You'll see with the doorbell button right there. And we made sure to preserve the actual peephole, so you can still look through it if you want, and then we have this privacy shield to close that off, so you have your privacy inside the home. So we initially created this for renters or people with HOAs. I personally think it's great for anyone that has a peephole over their door. I live in a home and I have a Peephole Cam and I love it. So the last feature that's really cool and actually exclusive to the Peephole Cam is what we call knock detection. So like I mentioned, you install these parts of the doorbell right onto the door itself. So when someone knocks, it'll actually feel with the sensors inside and give you an alert. So if someone happens to not press the actual doorbell button and they just knock and leave, you'll get an motion alert so you know that someone visited.
Hi, Jim.
Wait, you can see me?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep. And it's so clear I can also see that mustard stain.
Don't miss a thing with Remobell S, one of the widest fields of view and fastest responding doorbells in the industry.
Can you see me now?
Poor Jim.
Greet your guests, monitor your home, and secure your loved ones with the easy-to-use Remobell S.
Meet the Vivint Doorbell Camera Pro, the only video doorbell that actively protects your deliveries. With the widest and tallest field of view on the market, it lets you see everything, from faces to packages left right under the doorbell. And Vivint Smart Sentry technology intelligently detects when those packages are delivered. But Doorbell Camera Pro goes beyond just detecting. It can also automatically repel would-be thieves.
Camera recording.
With an audible chime and light ring that illuminates when someone approaches your packages. So your packages stay protected, even when you're not around.
Hi, Robin.
somebody just tried to take a package off my porch. Would you mind setting that inside for me? Thank you. I'll unlock the door for you. Bye-bye.
And because all Vivint products work together, you can also remotely unlock a door for trusted friends and neighbors or open the garage so deliveries can be safely placed inside. Whoever it is, you'll be able to answer the door from anywhere and see it all in stunning HD.
Hey, girls!
Hey, is Tommy home?
Yeah, he's right here.
Unlike other video doorbells that only capture limited moments,
Good eye, Frenchie!
human-activated Vivint smart clips don't stop recording until the action does.
Thank you, guys! Love you.
It's all about creating peace of mind. A feeling that comes from knowing that your home isn't just smart, it's safer too.
What's so pro about the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2? Let's take a look. Now you can see more with our new head-to-toe video, so you'll never miss what's on your porch. Hear more with HD audio that delivers our cleanest sound yet.
Come on, Callie, we're going now. Hey, girl!
Hi, I'll be right down.
Can't make it to your phone? Let Alexa do the talking.
Delivered for John.
Please leave the package behind the railing.
And no more with bird's eye view, so you're aware if someone's there and where they've been.
Hello?
Hi, cable guy.
Nah.
You're right. I'm not.
The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 works with your other Ring devices and beyond for the most seamless experience out there. If someone's at the door,
Hi, can you let us in?
you can let them in.
Nope, I'm out.
If your lights sense motion, you'll know who's there. If your alarm is triggered, your doorbell starts recording automatically. And you can control it all from one convenient place, the Ring app. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. It's smart security made simple.